we just unwinded our cinnamon roll grands. Now I'm coming in with my Philadelphia cheesecake no bake, and we are going to put a thin layer of this cheesecake right onto our cinnamon rolls. You have to use the grands for this one because they're the only ones that unwind. The small ones do not, but trust me, it is so worth it for these delicious dessert cinnamon rolls. But you know what? I won't tell if you eat it for breakfast either. Okay, once we get a nice layer of that no-bake cheesecake on there, oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible? We are going on to our next step, which has to be one of my favorites. I have some freeze-dried strawberries that I put in my little food processor, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top of that cheesecake to get a delicious strawberry cheesecake kind of flavor. Now we are just gonna go ahead and roll these back up just like how they came. We are rolling in that delicious cheesecake and strawberries. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put these to the side and bring in our mini Pyrex dish. And I'm just gonna coat the bottom of our Pyrex with some heavy whipping cream. This is just gonna ensure that our cinnamon rolls get extra fluffy. Just one thin layer right on the bottom of our dish. Now, if you don't have a mini Pyrex, a 13 by 9 will work just as well. Now we're just gonna place our cinnamon rolls nice and snug inside our pan, just like so. Look how delicious they look, stuffed with that cheesecake and the freeze-dried strawberries. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, now I'm coming in with some fresh strawberries, of course, and I just diced them, and we're just gonna top our cinnamon rolls with some fresh strawberries. Those juices are just gonna soak into it, and it's just gonna taste amazing. Strawberries and cheesecake are one of my favorite dessert combinations, and these cinnamon rolls just take it to a whole new level. You can add as little or as many strawberry bits as you like, but I am just, going hand happy with them. Okay, that looks delicious, you guys. My oven is set to 350, and these are gonna bake for just 25 minutes. Oh my goodness, that smells incredible. Look how big and fluffy those are, golden brown. I'm gonna come in with that icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls, and we are just gonna drizzle it right on top. Now, if you don't want it to be too sweet, you don't have to use the icing, but you guys know me, I love my sweets, so I'm never not gonna use the icing. Those look incredible. So easy to upgrade your cinnamon rolls. Okay, it's time to grab one. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, it is time for heaven on earth. Strawberry cheesecake cinnamon roll. This is gonna be delicious. So good.